Hey, can I see your box?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You built it?
The guy with the orange truck did.
Okay.
I did like 5%.
Okay.
Sean? No, Adam. Sean is simmering.
You want to give me a quick rundown?
Yeah, go for it.
Go ahead, man. You want to tell me everything you got in here?
DC level 5s, and then I got a DD M4, and then extra battery, and that's it.
Alternator?
Nope.
Stock? Okay. Have you metered it?
Yes and no. It was kind of like a bullshit run. It was a 47.5.
Is that what you wanted? You wanted a 50 out of it?
I wanted 50 out of it, but I got a daughter. I can't put my back seats down, so I can only put them down for shows. So
yeah. Gotcha.
can't really, yeah.
Yes, sir. What's it tuned to?
34.
Okay. So this is a 10 inch or a 12?
10.
Oh, wow. Did you add this, or what made you do this little flame design?
That was kind of a surprise thing. This is actually a Frankenstein box.
Oh, okay.
Originally, I have a 2-inch port that ran across here. It was a slot port.
Yes, sir.
But it was all choked.
Okay.
So we just cut a big hole in it and plopped this in there.
Got it.
I actually have like 1.5 inches, 2 inches of unused space in this. It's actually too small for these subs.
Oh, wow, okay.
So once I get a new car, this whole back area is going to be a whole box. So next year, hopefully.
Yep, hopefully. Okay. Can I see your amp real quick?
Yeah, it's in the back.
I'll check it out real quick. What is it wired to? Ran to half ohm? Okay. Wow. How's your voltage do?
It's iffy. I have an alternator for it, just haven't had the chance to put it on yet.
Okay. And what was your name?
Adam.
Adam Jacob. Appreciate it. Pioneer head unit.
Yep.
She gon' eat the food, bread up in like dying. You would think that bag would come and walk. Smile up in my face, but like a plastic bag, I see through you. Hey, kid, fuck these niggas up. Fuck them over this one, take keys. Yeah, fuck boy JP. Take keys for dudes. That shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shot.
making videos.
Hopefully my radio doesn't fuck up again.
Been having problems?
It just doesn't want to connect. I have to like reset it. It's two and a half years old.
Okay.
You know, so I have to cut the radio or the truck off and then reconnect it.
Gotcha.
Oh, this one's getting slow. I've heard this before.
song to demo. Gives you all the frequency ranges.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What? How low does it play? Is it like 25, 26 hertz range?
This is 32.
32? Okay. So 32 up to like what, 50, 55, somewhere around there?
45.
45, okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.